Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z7213X. 22,000 miles on this Equinox. Clean auto check history report. This was owned by one of our employees, blue velvet metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. This Equinox has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, this LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio control so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter direct injection 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7213X to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.